Hello beautiful people from a windy evening in Seoul. Come with me as I explore the Cheonggyecheon river walk in the center of the city. Vamos! There you have it folks, the Cheonggyecheon river walk in Seoul, in the middle of the city. Beautiful vibes. That's gonna be it for this time, and I shall see you on the next video.